So the Land Cruiser just overheated. Hopefully the motor's not blown. Gonna figure out what happened. My first reaction is to look at the heater tees back here. This just happened. Heater tee literally looks like it's disconnected. Okay, so found the problem. The heater tee broke off while I was driving, apparently. Hopefully the engine's okay. Thermostat was definitely hot. I'm gonna try to limp it over here, get to my jiu-jitsu class, and then find a replacement real fast and fix it up. It's not a hard fix. I've got a whole video on how to do it, but I thought hopefully the previous owner had done it, but maybe at 330,000 miles they haven't been replaced yet. So I was just thinking about replacing this, but now it looks like I'm forced to. So hopefully the motor's not blown. I've got some of this JB weld for plastic. I'm gonna try to mix this up and then apply it to the heater tee so I can limp it across the road. I just gotta get over there. You can say it got hot. Well, jiu-jitsu starts in 5 minutes. I've got to make it over there. It's made a partial seal. I think it'll be enough to get across the street. So with the JB weld and then adding a little bit of coolant, hopefully I can make it a mile, and then I'll replace that with a real heater tee and properly fix it. But there's a quick fix on how to fix your car if you're in a pinch. JB weld, plastic, and always carry water and antifreeze. 15-minute heater tee fix. Hopefully it'll limp us across the street without overheating the motor. Let's check it out. All right, temperature's medium. Not leaking per se. It is leaking a little bit, but we're just gonna get it over there before it gets too hot. I'm not concerned about anything except for this motor not overheating. That's the only thing I'm worried about. I do have a check engine light on. I can check that with my scan code. Come on, baby, hold together. Really just gotta go a mile. We're still good on the temperature. I mean, hopefully the head gasket isn't blown. I don't feel any misfires. I don't feel like the motor's damaged. I do have some warning lights. Let's change these. Let's reset them. So I'm gonna go to scan, view, P0115. I'm gonna clear that. I can almost hear it leaking. So, but hopefully it's only leaking 20%, and that will allow us to get band-aided enough just to get a couple miles without overheating. I think we're good. I think we're good. I think we're good. The lady was going down the wrong side of the street. She honked at me. Typical, right? Okay, no leak. So hopefully I didn't blow the motor. I don't think I did, honestly. There's the water temperature. Yes, it is running a little hot. 224, it's normally 184, but now we're gonna shut it off, and now I can let it cool for an hour while I'm doing jiu-jitsu. And I got to my destination and I'm not late, so check back in an hour. All right, guys, just got through with jiu-jitsu. The car seemed to be running fine. It's been sitting for about an hour and a half, so now we're going to drive it 15 miles. I'm gonna watch the temperature gauge and make sure it doesn't overheat, and I'm just going to start it and go immediately. So it says it's at 225, now it's at 159, and let's just see. So it's still overheating. Just put probably 2 quarts of water. But here it is at 190. I just put more water in it. I had to pull over. Let's see if it'll stay at 190 for a little bit. If it would stay at 190, that would be great. No air conditioner. Still needs more water, obviously. Yeah, this is not gonna work. I'm gonna have to stop at the gas station and put more water in it because it's already up to 204. Guys, I'm gonna chance it. It's running at 216. It's steaming, but I gotta get it to the house so I can park it and get it repaired. At the red light, it steams. So we're gonna try to get on the interstate and not have a problem. I'll probably have to park on the median. So there's the temperature, 95 degrees. It's already up to 220. We'll see if we can make it without it getting hotter than about 225, 220. All right, so it's overheating. It's 234, and we're at, as you can see, I'm having to pull over, so it's gotten too hot. Because I got really lucky. This is my third one of these I've had to pour into here. Okay, so we just put 3 containers of water in here, and let's see, it should cool right down. The water temperature should go down pretty fast because it had 0 water before. Let's see what happens. 209, 207, 204. This is good. This is good. All right, I think we can get it home from here. Maybe not. It's starting to get hot again. 202. We made it home. It's a little hot, but not crazy. 230. All right, guys, so we're in the Mustang now to go get the heater tees for the Toyota Land Cruiser. So on my previous Land Cruiser, I changed out the heater tees. Well, apparently on this, I didn't change them because I figured someone else had already changed them with 330,000 miles because they had been tampered with. I could tell someone had fooled with them, but they didn't change the heater tees, so they crumpled and failed on me. So now we're going all the way across town. Beeman won't answer the phones, so hopefully they have these. It says that they're in stock, but we won't know until we get there, so we'll have to find out when we get there. So here we go, off to traffic. Okay, Toyota parts. Let's see if they have the part. I went to start the truck up and it acted like it was locked up, like the battery was dead. It scared the crap out of me. There's the heater tee that we need to replace. Obviously it looks terrible. So let's get to work. Just got some coolant in there. It's starting to work, it looks like. Got the AC on and we're just relaxing. It's 100 degrees outside. Hopefully this motor ain't blown. All right, we got the AC pumping. Good, man. Full pressure good. Engine temp good. Alright, we just went on a big trip and it's running nice and cool. 190 is about as hot as I've seen it. I mean, it's 96 degrees today. And you know, it was very heat-soaked engine from running around all day. So that's with the AC on. Alright guys, I'm having a weird starting issue now. Yeah, I'm just getting a clicking for the starter. Alright, we're gonna try to start this thing up because I was having starting issues. The battery does not look dead at all. I'm just getting a click. Sounds like the starter. There's a relay or something. Well guys, got some bad news. We overheated the Land Cruiser yesterday because the heater tee failed and now the car only does this when I go to start it. Just a click. So let's see if we can get to scan. No codes are ready. Okay, I just got the motor. It was click, 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 and then it goes click, click. So here we go. Let's see, maybe it'll start. Gosh, it did it just for a second. The starter did turn over. Oh, so annoying. I heard it go.